beautiful, beautiful avocados. Mix, mix, mix. We'll call it keto crumb. I'm gonna see which one is better, pork rinds or just almond flour. These are damn good too. The Busy Mommy Show. Hola familia, Busy Mommy here, and today I am bringing you baked avocado fries. So yummy. I'm bringing these to you because obviously I love burgers still. I love French fries. I just can't eat them, right? Now I can have burgers different ways. Now if you want to see one of my favorite is actually turkey burger that is better than any turkey burger I've ever had. And it will be linked below to these fries because I eat them with it. But I do love a good crispy fry. And one thing that I like is making baked avocado fries. Now, I have baked avocado fries on my website before I started keto, and I made them with panko breadcrumbs and Italian breadcrumbs mixed together. Obviously, that's not gonna work because keto is not bread friendly. So we're gonna make it a little bit differently this time with some keto ingredients. Before we start making them though, if you could do me a favor and please like and comment on this video. Please also subscribe. I would love to continue to bring you recipes like these. Let me know what other kinds of fries you wanna try, like jicama fries or yuca fries, anything like that. I wanna give different fries a try and see how it turns out. But for now, I love baked avocado fries. Now, I'm gonna do these in the oven. You can air fry them, you can pan fry them, do them however you want. I like them in the oven because I can put them in the oven, leave them alone, start making the other part of the meal, because obviously these are great as a snack. Now I'm gonna make them two ways because I wanna try out with a little bit of some, I can't think of the word. Why can't I think of the word? Pork rinds. I'm gonna try some with pork rinds as well, just to see if they taste better, if they crisp up better. I love pork rinds as a snack. So I'm gonna try to fry some of these with that, but that is after we do it the traditional way. So first, what do? I cut up 2 avocados. So you wanna get firm avocados, not green, but firm. You want them a little bit more firm. And what I do is I slice them in half and then I peel off the skin, and then you're left with this beautiful half of an avocado, and you're gonna cut them thick, right? So we want them like, I don't know, half an inch maybe thick. I'm gonna go ahead and continue. I got them started over here. Beautiful, beautiful avocados. These were actually on sale. Every time they're on sale, I love making avocado fries because they're so good. All right, so once you slice and prep your avocados, you're gonna go ahead and put 2 eggs in a shallow bowl. This makes it so it's easier to dip. And you're gonna scramble them up. Mix, mix, mix. All right, eggs are ready. And then in another bowl, you're gonna put a little bit under a cup of almond flour, so like a little over half a cup. You're gonna put half a cup of Parmesan cheese and 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning. Actually, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning because I'm gonna mix this up with the pork rinds as well. Okay, so we have a little over half a cup of almond flour. We have half a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese that I actually hand grate because I prefer that way. And then mixing it up with 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take about a tablespoon of my house seasoning. So that is essentially garlic powder, salt, and pepper. So you can add garlic powder to these and then add some salt and pepper. You can really make it your own, add whatever you want. You just need to season the breadcrumbs a little bit. All right, so then I'm gonna get my pan ready that I'm gonna put these on. So I move this stuff out of the way. I have my lined sheet with parchment paper. And we're gonna go egg, and then breadcrumb. Well, technically not breadcrumb. We'll call it keto crumb. All right, so I'm gonna continue to do these. Once I have them all ready, then we're gonna get them in this nice 400-degree oven, bake them up, and eat them. All right, be back. Okay, so I've made a good amount of them with the almond flour. Now we're gonna try some pork rinds. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the pork rinds in a Ziploc bag, which I did. Just take out your day's aggression. Mash them up. Now you can use a food processor, but what's the fun in that? More fun when you get to squish them yourself. Now, since I'm gonna season them the same way, I'm gonna use the same bowl. I still have some left over of the almond flour, which is fine. I'm actually gonna add a little bit more almond flour to this. We're going to take the crunched up pork rinds, put them in the bowl. Okay, we got our pork rinds in here. I'm gonna go ahead and add about a teaspoon of almond flour just to give it a little more kick. Using my fork here, I'm gonna add like half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and then I'm gonna add Parmesan cheese. This is probably gonna end up being like maybe 2 tablespoons or a quarter cup of parm. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of the salt and garlic, only because I really don't need salt because the pork rinds are salty themselves. Just gotta mush it up, make sure everything's nice and mushy. All right, then we're gonna get to breading. Gonna see which one is better, pork rinds or just almond flour. Some people don't like pork rinds. Literally, some people can't stomach them. So when you're on keto, if you don't like pork rinds, you need something else to get you a little, that crunch, which is why making these even with almond flour will get you a little bit of that crunch. All right, gonna continue to do these, then we're gonna pop them in the oven and eat. I'm excited. All right, got that last one on the pan that could fit. Now I'm gonna go ahead and place these in the oven at 400 for about 18 to 20 minutes. Just really depends on the browning that I want, but at about 15 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and flip these over because I want the other side to get browned. So I'm gonna put these in the oven, then we'll see what happens in about 15 minutes. Alexa, set timer for 15 minutes. All right, so the fries came out of the oven. I flipped them at about 15 minutes and then put them back in for another 3 minutes. They came out perfect, nice and golden brown. They're so good. Literally, they're like my favorite snack because they have such great flavor. And they're like delicious, warm. Dip them in your favorite sauce. I'm gonna eat these with with my turkey burger. It's gonna be so good. So these are the almond flour ones. They taste delicious. Now we're gonna try the ones that are coated in pork rinds. Obviously more of a crunch. These are damn good too. I don't know, I think I like the tradition with just almond flour only because the pork rinds I feel like add a flavor to them, and I don't want to take away from the delicious flavor that the avocado has on its own. So what I would do, and what I did when I pulled them out of the oven, sprinkled them with a little salt, added a little more Parmesan, then eat them up. And after that, you're all set. So all that's left is to say thank you for all your support. Thank you for being here for me. To continue to be here for me, please like, subscribe, and comment. Share if you like it. Thankful for all of you, my busy familia. And I look forward to seeing you guys next time on the Busy Mommy Show. Just kidding. On my channel. Thanks. Love you guys. Bye. Are you laughing at me?
The Busy Mommy channel.
The Busy Mommy Show.
Busy Mommy Show.